Are you allowing someone to dangle at the bottom of the personal development and growth rope? I bought my business from Mr. Hamrick when I was 29 years old, and I knew absolutely nothing about the heating and air conditioning business. And when a technician came to me and asked me how to fix something, what to do about this problem and that problem, I could honestly say to that technician, hey, if you don't know the answer to that question, I don't think I need you, because I can't fix it. So I got to find somebody that can. A lot of times we spend way too much time taking responsibility for somebody else's personal growth and development. What technician, employee in your business do you have that won't climb up or take initiative to climb up the personal development and growth rope? I had a conversation just yesterday with a client. He has a relative in his business, and he's been responsible for this relative for years, and this relative is a technician who can't fix much. And it's time to let go of the rope because this technician isn't going to climb. Whose backpack are you holding? Whose backpack are you carrying? Expect people to carry their own backpack. Thank you and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.